What's up, guys? Today we're going to be testing out Firsttech's FTDAS-II sensor, multi-sensor for their manual transmission remote start systems. This sensor is supposed to detect movement if the car is somehow placed in gear while the reservation mode is set, which is the mode that allows manual transmission cars to function. So basically what happens is you'll be driving the car, and when you go to get out of it, you need to set the remote start mode. So pretty much the car keeps running while you get out. And once the doors close, it can guarantee that the car is still not in gear, and at which point it shuts the vehicle down and is prepared for remote starting. Now, if it was placed in gear somehow while the doors are closed and it doesn't recognize the doors being opened, it will still start the car, which is where this FTDAS-II sensor comes into play. So let's see how this works. Well, help if I disarmed it first. That'd be cool. There we go. All right, so we're running here. Oh, come on. Give me a break. All right, double disarm. Now we're good. So we're running, and we approach our destination. So with my foot on the brake, or set the parking brake, release, set the parking brake, and then release the foot brake. At which point I can take the key out of the car, and as you can see, it's still running. So then you now get out of the car, and once you close the door, you can either hit the lock button or wait 10 seconds and the car will shut down. Car is locked and we're shut down. So now at this point, say we somehow put this car into gear. Oh my goodness. What happens? There you go, start. Boom, cut off. Good to go. And now it's throwing the error code with the parking lights as to what happened. So there you have it. Safety, Firsttech, Compustar, remote start.